Stop scrolling. What if I told you your email list could explode while you're sleeping, devouring tacos, or deep into a Netflix marathon? Sounds like a fantasy, right? But this is real. Meet AI Matrix Spillover, the platform that turns your downtime into primetime list building and income growth. We all know the struggle, hustling for leads, chasing down signups, and wishing there were more hours in the day. But what if AI could recruit, follow up, and expand your team on complete autopilot? No more begging friends to join your list or burning out on cold DMs. With AI Matrix Spillover, your email list grows, your team multiplies, and your recurring income stacks up, all automatically. Imagine waking up to new leads, fresh team members, and more money, all while you live your life. Here's the kicker. The early birds get the juiciest spots. Don't let FOMO win. Click the link, lock in your position, and let AI do the heavy lifting. The next wave in AI marketing has arrived. Will you ride it or watch it pass by? Like, subscribe and secure your spot now.